What's good, y'all? It's DSR Rob back at it again with another heat video, man. So apparently y'all love these monkey videos. So, you know, I give it another try. Better do a can I eat your booty prank on Monkey App, and we gonna see how it is, man, how it turns out, the reactions, all that. But if you like this video, I want y'all to subscribe, share it, all that, and leave a thumbs up. But other than that, DSR Rob is out.
I bet she want me cause this Gucci on my shirt, yeah. She in my DMs, all she wanna do is flirt. Go berserk, fuck up.
What's good, y'all? I'm back at it again with another Monkey App video. And you know, today it's gonna be a little treat, you know. I'm gonna see how this goes. But other than that, you know, I'm going into this right now, bruh. I'm not gonna stall y'all no more, man. Look at this shit. Stream record this jump real quick. Ush. Okay. Let's see what's up with him for real. London. What's good? Let me ask you a very important question. Can I eat your booty? I can eat that shit for real? Is that jump big? Jump fat? I don't think she was sure if I wanted to do that. Nah. Skip me. Oh, what's up with y'all? Can I ask you a very important question?
What?
Can I eat y'all booties?
Maybe. You just might.
Hey, that's a dub. You know, all up in that bitch, you feel me? Oh shit, except Shanazia. Bro, what's up with these people, bro? They're blowing me. What's up? Hi. Can I ask you a important question?
What?
Can I eat your booty? Yeah. I can't eat your booty. I can't lick up on that jump. I can't lick up. What's good?
What's up? You trying to roast?
Nah, can I eat your booty though?
Yeah, you sure can.
Alright, that jump fat. I look like a what? The fuck do I look like? You know, you gotta lick the lips so you can have the nice moisture. But other than that, yeah. Oh, Chloe. Why they always skipping me? I don't deserve that. Bruh. Bruh. What's good?
All the way by New York, looking like a bird for him.
Somebody warm your ass up. Hey, girl on the left, can I eat your booty though?
Potato, you're a skin potato.
Oh nah, you big fat looking like a Terrio looking ass boy.
Oh! Oh! Oh, kill him! Oh, kill him! Oh!
You said you're the
You all this shit. That was weird. I'm really good with these drums. Somebody connect though. Bruh. I'm actually from California. What's good? What's good? Can I ask y'all a very important question?
What?
Can I eat y'all booties?
Yeah. You don't look like you eat ass. You look like you did when you look like you eat rice for a living.
That was extremely racist. She said I look like you dick. Damn. That hurt. What's good? So let me ask you a very important question. Can I eat your booty?
Oh, but you can eat this.
Oh, she gave me the middle finger. Her little ass don't even know what that shit is. Fuck. Tick tock, tick tock. Bro, I skipped already. I didn't even press the accept button yet. The fuck? Skipped again. Accept. What's up? What's up? I got a very important question to ask you.
What?
Can I eat your booty?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, bet. Is that joint like plumped and big? She ain't even get an answer. Like, how I know if that joint's fat? Like, I wanna scrumptious booty, you feel me?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Sorry, now let me cool it. Damn, all these girls are like, yeah, they're not trying to let me slide between them butt cheeks.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Bruh. What's good? Oh, nah. Hey, girl on the left, let me eat your booty, though.
What'd you say?
Let me eat your booty. I can't do it. I can't do it over. That's the geek. Like, yeah, it's like, oh, I'm impressed. They was like, this creep. What's good? What's good? Let me ask you a very important question.
Okay.
Can I eat your booty? Oh, for real? Let me lick that shit. Let me eat that bit. Yo, y'all gonna think I'm some weirdo, bro. I'm gonna smack this shit. What's good? What's good?
Oh, you're.
Damn, can I eat y'all booties though?
I don't know.
I can't eat y'all booties. They said I was ugly, bro. That's crazy. Hey. This is getting very old. What's good?
What's up?
I got a very important question to ask you. Can I eat y'all booties?
What?
Can I eat your booty?
Oh, hell.
Okay. Cause I can eat her booty, you know. Not every girl wants their booty eaten, you know. Georgia.
I see your big head.
What's good?
Oh, you're nice looking. Very soft for you.
Can I ask y'all a very important question?
Yeah, that's not. Hell, I like him.
Thank you, but can I eat y'all booties though?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
She gonna eat my booty? Fuck no. Alright, give me the last one. I'm gonna wrap it up, bro. I mean, officially the last one, you know, the last one. What's good? Can I ask you a very important question? Can I eat your booty?
Oh, you just messed up. Oh, yeah, like you were really cute when you said that.
I'm gonna end it there, bro. I'm gonna end it there, bro. I'm gonna just end it there. I'm done. I'm gonna end it there, bro. Damn. She said I was really cute before I said I eat somebody's booty. Booty's not attractive? Ain't that shit's not attractive? Let me know in the comments, man. But other than that, this is how Rob is signing out again. I'm gonna see you in the next video. And other than that, you know, give this shit a thumbs up. and share this shit to your people, because you know we growing and we getting big. Other than that, I'm out. Yeah.
Hey, saw so much drip when I walk through. I got a dip when I'm on too long. She broke my heart, but it made cool songs. I caught a flight, I've been going too long.